Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Ravi. Dear, what about your attendances? Attendance with respect to other subjects apart from Sunil sir?
Yes, sir. In our subject going on, but in Sunil sir's subject not going on
In other
because
subject,
in they are not showing my roll number.
okay. So, what is the status of your fee? Have you deposited whole fee? So your semester fee?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. You have sent me your enrollment number, TC3, fifth semester. Fine. I'll 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 make sure to forward this to the respective sections. Okay, and probably you will get some solution within 1 or 2 days.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Let the people join. It will be even more fruitful if everybody can join within 2-3 minutes, because until now we have got only 10 participants. Important topics are going on, and I don't want to miss the things for anybody. अभी सुनील सर आपको कौन सा सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा रहे हैं?
Sir, microprocessor.
Microprocessor.
माइक्रो प्रोसेसर.
Yes, sir. Microprocessor.
ओके. I forwarded your mail, Sunil. Okay, you will get some solution soon. Fine. So now let's
Okay, sir.
start
Thank
today's
you.
class. Yeah, I have done that. Let's start today's class. Let me first share the screen. Is my screen available to everyone? Please check it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I want this
Yes.
answer from
Yes.
everyone. I don't have to repeat this thing in
Yes,
every
sir.
class.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we all are. So kindly let us use English only so we can understand the others' questions. Ahmad Dawood. That's fine, dear. That's what the reason why every time I'm using only English while I'm teaching. But when some specific student who is asking some doubt, who is not so much comfortable with English, only in that case I use Hindi. And even if you remember, every time when I have used Hindi, I have explained this very clearly that right now I am addressing a particular person's doubt and he is not comfortable in so much comfortable in English. That's the only reason I'm using Hindi, right? And every time I've explained you that don't worry, whenever you will be asking doubt, definitely I will be giving you answers in your preferred language. So consider this thing, that if somebody else is asking doubt and he is asking some personal question, so I understand that you want to learn from others doubts as well, but if the person himself is not able to learn things, right, then that is something which should not happen. That's the only reason why I do so, right? So be very comfortable and be very sure that whenever you will be asking any kind of doubt, definitely I will be giving you answers in English. To other students also I'm giving answers in English, but only in case if some particular one is not comfortable with English, or if he is not able to post his query in English properly, he is not able to frame the words properly, and I'm not able to understand his query, only in that case I'm answering in Hindi. Okay, so you don't get bothered about it. Okay, I have to take care of everyone, dear. I'm taking care of yours also. Fine. So let's begin with some more questions, some more type of questions, right? So since we have discussed a machine which was starting with A, right? Now I am posting. Now let us do one more question in which we will cover that how to make a ending machine, right? There are so many different types of machines which we can make. Ending machines are there, starting machines are there. Okay, in the beginning substring, lot of machines are there. In fact, let me write the question here. What's the question we are looking for? I hope everybody is sitting with a paper and a pen, as I told you in the last class,
Yes, sir.
or the class before
Yes,
also,
sir.
right? Everybody make sure to sit with a copy, a notebook and a pen, because if you really want to learn these things, you have to make the automata on yourselves, by yourselves, on your paper. If you will just be watching, if you'll just be looking only at my automatas, then you will not be able to make it, right? So let's have one more. In fact, let you practice this thing. Okay, design a DFA. Let's not to repeat this formal language every time, right? Now what I will do, just to save time, what I will do, I will tell you the string. Okay, I'll tell you the sigma, and for that purpose, like I'll tell you the pattern and I'll tell you the sigma on, and for that purpose you are supposed to make the DFA. All right, let's move on to this. So now you have to make a DFA. Every time you have to create DFA only, right? Remember this thing. Now you are not supposed to make NFA at any point of time. Starting with AB now. Okay. Make a DFA for all those strings which are starting with AB over sigma is equal to A comma B. Make it. Do this one. Starting with AB over sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay. Start this. Try to do this one, and let's have 2 minutes or 1 or 2 minutes for this. I'm expecting your replies either in yes or no, whether you are able to do this or not, in the form of yes or no on the screen. Okay, within next 1 or 2 minutes. So this is the question. Ashish Prasad Pandey has done very good. Ashish, what about others? Look at the question and do this. Try to do it. Till then, let me write another question until you are making. Design a DFA for the language which accepts all those strings who ends on B over sigma is equal to A comma B. That's what you are supposed to make next one. Okay, the people who have done the first one, they are supposed to make the second question. Start doing this one also. If you have done with the first one, please make sure to attempt this second question if and only if you have done with first one. Okay, I'm showing you second question once again. And this similar, like once you have done, fine, attempt this one if you have done with the first one. Janitu has done first one. Naul has done first one. Krishna, Muhammad Imran, Muhammad Hassan, Daniel, Matthews. Very good. I'm happy to see this, see these kind of messages. Fine. What about others? Others also try. Done first. Sunny Chaurasia. Good. Very good. Done. Good. Sampanna has done. What about others? Do it fast. Come on. We have done this before. We have done it for the single symbol. Now you have to do the same thing for two symbols. Nothing much. Come on.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in second question, the first string can be anything A, B.
It's not about first string. It's about first symbols. Not only
First
first.
symbol, sir.
Yeah, not only first. First symbol, second symbol, third symbol, fourth symbol can be anyone. All we are measuring is ending on B. For example, if you have some such kind of string, so many A's are there, multiple number of A's are there, but it has to end on B. Okay, this is also acceptable, no problem. So it's not only about A or B or B only, it's about this string also. In fact, A, B, 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 this is also ending on B. So all those strings, remember what I have written, all those strings who ends on B, not some specific string. Each of that string which ends on B, you have to cover. Fine. So now everybody stop working. Everybody please stop working. And I'm showing you that the people who are not comfortable with first one, still who are not comfortable with the first one, they can ask their doubts. So all those people who have done the first one, please keep your phone mute. And if there is anybody who is having any kind of doubt in the first question, they are supposed to ask their questions. Come on. I'm expecting questions from those people who would not, who have done the first question. Good practice. Every class I said this thing. You have doubts, ask it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Shekhar.
Sir, how will do this example, sir, because I was accept not present yesterday lecture.
If you were not present yesterday lecture, then you have to see the recordings. They will be available in just 1 or 2 days. Okay, but please make sure to be in to be in the class. May I please know the reason why you were not present in the last lecture?
Sir, we had vaccine, took vaccine, and this yoga did that behind the reason.
Pardon, what you said?
Sir, vaccine. I was took vaccine, and that time I fall
Okay,
fever. I got a
and
fever.
what about the day before yesterday? I guess this is your first class. You were not even present before. Am I right? This is your first class.
No, sir. No, sir. This second.
Okay, fine. You have to wait for the recordings because on missing classes, it's not possible to repeat the class. You have to wait for the recordings to be updated.
Okay, sir.
What
Thank
about
you.
others? Hmm?
Excuse
What
me,
about
sir.
others? Yes.
Sir, here I have a problem with how can I accept string AB with rejecting?
Your voice is not properly audible, Daniel. Tilhun, there is a lot
Okay.
of noises around you. So be at a comfortable place where you can speak.
Okay, sir.
Try to be at a place from where I can listen you properly. What about others apart from Tilhun? Until he's changing his place, others can ask me questions. Is there anybody else who want to ask anything? Fine. You ask your question, Tilhun.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes. Yes, you are audible.
Okay, sir.
Speak.
How can I accept the string with rejecting letter A?
Repeat once again.
How can I accept string AB with rejecting letter A?
How can you accept A, B, which is reject? You are
Yes.
asking about the first question or the second question?
First question, sir.
You are asking that how can you accept A, B?
Yeah, with rejecting A, letter A.
So it is starting with A, B. No, that's why you are supposed to accept this one. The A, B is starting with A, B or not?
Yes, starting with AB.
So that's what we are looking for. If it is starting with A, B, definitely we will accept. Let me discuss this question, okay? Wait, see the solution. Put yourself on mute and listen the discussion very, very carefully. And everybody else also, please make sure to, everybody else also, please make sure to listen to me properly. I already told you that questions are not that important because it's not necessary that only this question is going to come in your exam. What is more important? The thought process. And whatever I'm thinking while solving the question, that's what you have to listen to carefully, because based on that you will be able to make so many questions. If your thought process will go wrong, then you will not be able to do anything. But if your thought process is correct while you are solving these things, right, then you can do anything. With respect to, you can create any kind of automata if you once you have learned that how to think while we are creating the automata. Okay, so let's move on to this. First of all, always remember one thing: go for the smallest string first. Always go for the smallest string. Okay, don't think about the big strings. What will happen if such a big thing will come? Okay, just talk about the smallest string. So now let me discuss the smallest string. Can you please tell me, can somebody tell me the string which is starting with AB, which is the smallest such string?
AB itself, sir.
AB
Maybe, sir.
itself. It's quite easy. The smallest string which is starting with AB is AB itself, right? That means first I should make a track on AB. So let us say that if I have Q0, after Q0, what I have 1A. So will I accept this A or will I reject this?
Accept, sir.
No.
Accept.
If you will
Reject,
accept
sir.
A only, then there is no requirement for B. Try to understand.
Okay, sir, then
You are
make it
supposed to
temporary
accept what, yes, temporary reject. So this is what? This is not, this is something which you have to accept the minimum, not less than that, right? So A you have to reject, but that rejection has to be temporary or permanent.
Temporary, sir.
Temporary, sir.
Temporary, it has to be temporary. That means temporary rejection is being quoted by which type of state, final or non-final?
Non-final state.
Non-final, sir.
Non-final state. This non-final state has to be dead state or a normal state?
Normal state, sir.
Normal state, sir.
Normal state only, because it's a non-final state, and normal state because it's a temporary rejection, right? So I am supposed to put it on a non-final state. Let us name as Q1. Let us name this state as Q1. Okay. Now what after this? Let's say after this, if I have a B, so if so what I will do now, I will get B. Now A I already had, and now I am having B. So what you are supposed to do here? Tell me. Now you got A B. So we
Accept, sir.
Accept, sir.
so we can accept this one, right? I will simply accept this one. Permanent or temporary?
Permanent, sir.
Permanent
Permanent, sir.
acceptance.
Permanent. This time we will definitely accept this one permanently. All right. So I will accept this particular one permanently. Q2. And after this, I am supposed to make symbols like A comma B. Is this much clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
So this is the basic need of our required automata. Now what we are supposed to complete? We are supposed to complete the paths. Okay. Now check this out very carefully. So from Q0, we are supposed to make a path with respect to A and with respect to B. So we have already created a path for A. B is remaining. Okay. So that's what we are going to try. Now think, if I am on Q0, okay, what I already have in my string,
Hey, sir. Nothing.
if
Nothing.
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 If I am on Q0, then I don't have anything in my string right now. All right. Is everybody comfortable about
Yes,
this
sir.
thing? If everybody is comfortable, then everybody is supposed to say a yes, sir. Very
Yes, sir.
quick.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Again, I'm getting only 5,
Yes,
6
sir.
voices. Everybody is supposed to respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we have got this.
Sir.
Okay. If I am on Q0, that means I don't have anything. That means now if I get one B, if B is coming in the beginning of the string, then I am supposed to accept it or reject it.
Reject.
Reject, sir.
Permanent reject.
Reject. This rejection should be temporary or permanent.
Permanent, sir.
Permanent, sir.
The people who are thinking temporary, just ask one question to themselves, that if you are thinking that it is a temporary rejection, then what else you can get after B? What can make it accept? Is it possible? Once B has come, now after that you cannot change this. Whatever else you get here, either A or B, it is not going to change the beginning of the string. It will always be with B, but I am supposed to start with AB, which cannot be changed. So I will be rejecting this particular string permanently. So I am supposed to be on a state which is non-final or final.
Non-final state, sir.
It should be non-final because you are rejecting it. Rejections are given by which type of states, final or non-final?
Non-final state, sir.
Non-final.
Sir.
Non-final states. Simple. Non-final states are there. Okay. And since it is permanent rejection, so it has to be by using dead state. Is this much clear to everyone?
Clear, sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
now
sir.
I have, good, very good. So now I have done with the path for B also. Now I'm done with the path for B also. Now with respect to Q1, I'm supposed to have a path for A and I'm supposed to have a path for B. So from Q1, do I have a path for B? Answer is yes, it is done. But do I have a path for A? Until now, I don't have a path
No.
for A.
No, sir.
So now I am supposed to create it. Okay. If I am on Q1, that means what I have already get in my string. Tell me,
A,
if I
sir.
am
A.
on Q1, what I have already got in my string. I do
A.
already have
A, sir.
one A.
A,
A has already come,
A,
right?
sir.
Now after A, if one more A is coming, now you are supposed to accept it or reject it.
Reject, sir.
I am supposed to reject it because because starting of A has to be done by AB. But since it has already started with double
Rejected,
A,
sir.
so now I am not now I will not accept it. Now I have to think this rejection is temporary or permanent.
Permanent rejection.
Permanent.
It should be a permanent rejection, right? It should be a permanent rejection because once it has started with double A, now there is no way to accept it any
Sir.
further. Whatever else you bring into the string, it's not going to change the starting of the string, right? So it should be a permanent rejection. Now, permanent rejection is being shown by which type of state? Rejection is shown by final or non-final?
Non-final, sir.
Non-final.
Non-final state. And permanent things are shown by
Dead state.
dead
Right.
state.
That is
So I have to take it to a dead state, but make sure to not to create a new dead state. What is the reason? Because I already have it. So there is no reason to create a new dead state. I can bring here. Even if you create new dead state, it is going to perform the same behavior. So why you have to create a new dead state? You can bring it to the existing one only. Ultimately, it has to trap the automata and it will trap. All right. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear,
Fine.
sir.
So in this automata, we have two dead states. One is final, one is non-final. This is also a dead state, but it is a final dead state. That's why it is for permanent acceptance, and it's a non-final dead state. So that's why it is for permanent rejection. Okay, so that's how you can create this automata. Now if the like, is there anybody who is having doubt in this? Then you can ask me. I'm waiting for you for 30 seconds. Within these 30 seconds, if I'll get any question, I'll answer it. If nobody asks question, then we will go for the next topic. Is there anyone who has any doubts in this? I told you in the very first class, even if you have a single small doubt, don't keep it to yourself. Otherwise, you will never be able to resolve that doubt. Just share that doubt with me. I'll definitely answer you. You can be very confident about it that I'm not going to scold you ever on asking doubts. Shall I move further? I need a yes sir from everyone.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Fine. So let's go ahead. Now let's try for this one. How many have done for the second one also? Say their names.
Ashish.
Good. Apart from Ashish, anybody else who was able to make the second one?
Sir Krishna. Sir, done
Krishna.
but have doubt.
Good. Done with doubt. Okay, that's fine. Who else?
No,
I've
also.
also done, sir.
You have also done very good. What about others? I got only 3 answers until now. That means almost 44 people or 43 people are supposed to ask doubts. So I should have at least 44 doubts. Who has done with doubts? who has done the question but is having some doubt?
Done
Some,
with, but not sure.
okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Mine also. Sir.
Yours also. Fine. Ashish Prasad. Fine. So let me
Yes,
discuss,
sir.
or let me first know what is your doubt. Let's start with Ashish. Ashish, what is your doubt?
Sir, in this we have to end the string on B, right? So we cannot start from initial state. We have to start from some non-final state.
No. It's not like that. Okay, fine. I'll answer your doubts deeply. Apart, okay, fine. I got your point. Apart from Ashish, who else? Like Daniel, what is your doubt?
It seemed like Ashish.
Daniel, you are not at a good place because you are not properly audible to me. This is my advice to everyone, that before starting the class, please be at a place where you should have already checked your network status, your surroundings. Nothing should be disturbing, neither the network nor your surroundings. Fine. So let's work upon this question. Ashish, first let me tell you something. You said that since it is ending on B, that means we will not be starting with the initial state. Okay. Now first try to understand one thing. The string which is, you tell me any string which is ending on B.
Yes, sir.
Tell me any string. Ashish.
Yes, sir. Sir, question
Tell
again.
me
Network
any
problem.
string which is ending on B.
ABB.
ABB. Now try to
Yes.
understand one thing. Everybody else also focus on Ashish's question. It's important one. The point is, does it mean that it's not starting?
Sir, your sound.
Sir, you are not audible.
Yes. I got some network problem in
Is
between.
breaking, I think.
Yes. There was some network problem in between. Am I audible now?
It's
Yes, sir.
clear now.
Yes, sir.
Fine. To everyone, am I audible now? Tell me once more.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes. Fine. So let's come back to the Ashish question. Ashish said me one string which is ending on B. Okay. Now tell me, Ashish, one thing. If it is ending on B, does it mean that it's not starting with any symbol? Is it like this?
No, sir.
No, definitely it's not like this. It
Yes.
is ending on B. It never means that it is not starting. It is starting from somewhere. One thing. Now, second thing is, when you will read this string, will you read from this side to this side or this side to this side? Left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to right only. That means
Yes.
it's a normal string only. We have to read it from left to right as we always read. Okay. And definitely it is starting also. So make sure to be very clear about one concept. Either it is starting with B, ending with B, having substring as B, not having substring as B, or any such kind of thing. An automata can not start without a initial state ever. Getting my point?
Yes, sir. Getting. But, sir.
Wait. When we say that it is ending on B, it means what? We are just restricting about the pattern, not about the string. One thing. Second thing, what automata will do? Either it will accept the string or it will reject the string, right? So if it is rejecting the string, then it's a normal string only. But we will read the string and we will say that it is rejected. But it never means that we will not even read the string. Try to understand. Or the job of automata is not to decide whether I should read the string or I should not read the string. Automata will always read the string. Okay. But if it is not ending with B, what automata will do? Automata will say that I read you, now you are rejected. But if I will not start with the initial state, automata will not be able to read the string. Without reading the string, how automata can say that I'm rejecting you? Have you got the point? Now ask your question, Ashish, if you have any.
Yes, sir. So let us take another example, sir. Can you open the
Take
new
any
one?
example.
Yes, sir. Now another example. A, B, B. 2A and 2B.
So it is ending on B, right?
Yes, sir. So, sir, if
Still
we
it is starting with some symbol,
yes, sir, it
and
is starting from.
we will read it left to right only.
But in intermediate state, there may be many states, right, sir? In above, we have 2. In down, we have 3. So how can we make?
So let it be. The point is not about that whether many states will be there or not. That we will discuss within the question. Point is not about whether there is many state or not. Point is there should be an initial state or not.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
Getting my words?
Yes, sir.
There may be many states. There may be 2 states, 3 states, 4 states, 5 states. That we will discuss later on with the question. Okay. But the
Okay,
point is, it's about initial state. Whether there should be an initial state or not. Tell me yes or no.
There should be, sir. Yes, sir.
It
There
has
must.
to be. An
Yes, sir.
initial state must be there. Okay. Rest of the things we are going to discuss now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anybody else is having any more doubts? This kind of doubt? If anybody is having this kind of fundamental doubt, then please ask it even before the question. Yes.
Sir, how many maximum number of strings can be allowed to place before B?
Speak little bit loud. How many maximum number of?
How many maximum number of strings can be allowed to place before B?
Any number of strings we can have. The strings, see, whatever pattern I give you, infinite number of strings can be there. For example, like this, Ashish has advised 2 strings, and any more strings you can advise. This is ending on B. This is ending on B. This is ending on B. Infinite number of strings.
That means it is not limited to number of strings.
No, definitely. Number of strings don't have to be limited. In fact, try to understand, we are not creating this automata for a particular string. Read the question. Have I written that you have to create this automata for the string?
No, sir.
No. For which thing we have to create the automata?
Yes, the last string should be B.
The language. We don't have to create the automata for 1 or 2 strings. We have to create the automata for a language. Which language? Which accepts all those strings who ends on B. So we are not creating automata for a string. We are creating automata for a language, and that language may have infinite number of strings.
Okay, thank you, sir. I get it.
Okay, it's not like that every language has infinite number of strings. It depends on the pattern what we are giving in the language. For example, the question which we have discussed very first time, which was having single A, in that language it was clearly written that this language accepts the only string single A. The second question which we did, that language accepts only string double A. So those type of languages have finite number of strings, but it's not always necessary. Like the languages which we have discussed now, the previous one, it was a language which accepts all those strings starting with AB. So starting with AB can be infinite number of strings. Similarly, ending on B can also be the infinite number of strings. And we are creating automata for language, not for the string. Anybody else who is having any kind of fundamental doubt? Fine. So let's move on to the question first. Okay, check this out. Now, as I always say that just don't look at the question, but listen to me very, very carefully, because you have to learn that how to think when we are creating the automata. That's why I'm going to discuss many more examples, so that all the students can have, n number of chances to develop their thinking with respect to automata. Okay, now listen to me and answer me properly. Which is the smallest string who ends on B?
B itself, sir.
B itself. The smallest string which ends on B is the B itself, right? So let's have B. That means this is the string for which I have to create the automata. First, I will discuss about the rest of the strings also, but this is the minimum requirement. Okay, so now let us create an automata for this one. So we have this Q0. If I get one B, then I am supposed to accept it or reject it.
Accept it.
Accept it.
Accept it.
Accept it.
Everybody sure for this? We have to accept it. And for the
Yes, sir.
acceptance, it should be a final state or a non-final state.
Final.
Non-final.
Final state.
Non-final,
Who is
sir.
saying non-final state? For acceptance, we need non-final state.
No. For acceptance, we need final. Yes, sir.
Come on, don't give these type of answers.
Confusion, sir.
For acceptance, we need final states, right? So for accepting the things, we need final state. Now we also have to think about something, that whether this acceptance should be temporary or permanent.
Temporary
Think.
acceptance.
Permanent.
It should be also
Permanent.
permanent, temporary.
Temporary.
How many says permanent? Say your names.
Sengi, sir.
Saying me. Who else?
Yes, sir.
Shekhar. Anybody else who think it should be a permanent acceptance? Fine. The people who are thinking,
Temporary access, sir.
yeah, the people who are thinking it is permanent acceptance, let me demonstrate something to them. When you are saying that it should be accepted permanently, it means what? After B, if anything else is coming, it doesn't matter, a string will always be accepted. So let us say that after B, if I have one A, will I accept my string?
No,
sir.
No.
Sir,
So
I have a question.
yeah, sure.
If we are considering the smallest string is B, and
Hmm.
in designing our automata, we
Do one thing.
consider the smallest string.
Segni, do one thing. I guess there is some disturbance due to your headphones. So remove your headphones and directly stick with your laptop or mobile, and then ask me the question. Lot of disturbance is coming.
So there is no headphone. It's just the internet, I think.
Okay, then
Hostel
speak.
internet.
Then speak little louder than the surroundings.
Okay, so what I'm saying is,
Hmm.
if we consider the smallest string is B,
Okay.
so if the first string is B, then it's okay if my idea is it's okay if we accept it as a permanent, because that is the smallest string, only B. So
See.
we are not expecting that other strings are coming after it. That's
No,
what I'm saying.
it's not like that. Try to understand. We are designing this automata only for the smallest string or for each and every string? Reply me, Segni.
Yes, sorry, sir, sound was breaking. Sorry.
We are designing this automata only for the smallest string or for all the strings?
But sir, in the previous questions, I think we designed for smaller strings, like for
No,
example, for
check.
AB.
No. It's not like that. You can check it. It's for all the strings. Check it out. You give me any string which is starting with AB, and I'll prove you that it is working. To start with the smallest string is just a perfect strategy to design. Just think of it like this. Suppose if I have huge problems, right? If I have P1, P2, P3, P4, P5, P6, P7, P8, P9. Okay, if I have a set of huge problems, there are 9 problems, and somebody said that you have to solve all these problems. How will you start? Tell me. Agni, how will you start?
Yes, sir. Sound is very breaking, so I cannot get anything.
What to do with this? You have to find the solution for proper internet and sound. At my end, it is correct because everybody else can listen to me. Do one thing, disconnect yourself and reconnect once again. I'll come back to your question. Disconnect yourself and
Yes,
reconnect.
sir. Okay.
Has he came back?
Not yet. Not yet.
At Shaker's end also sound is the problem. What about others? Daniel, you unmute your phone?
Am I audible now, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. At your end, it's perfect. Has he come back? Fine. Let him come back. The people. Let me come back to the question, and then once he will come, I will answer his question. So the people who thought that it should be a permanent acceptance, just make sure to remember this thing that after B, if one A is coming, then you will reject it. So you have accepted only B, not everything coming after this. So it should be a temporary. It should not be a permanent acceptance. And temporary acceptance is being shown by a normal final state. So I'm supposed to create what type of state here?
Final state,
Normal
sir.
final state.
Normal state, which should be final. Okay. So here you make this Q1 and it should be a final state, right? So this is the automata, which is for the smallest string until now. Now what we have to do, we have to complete all the paths so that we can make sure that it is available for all general states. Actually, I should not reject this one. I should not delete these things. Otherwise, chalo fine. I'll write them once again afterwards. Okay. Now I am supposed to complete all the paths. Okay. So now, do you have a path with respect to A from Q0? Do I have a path? No,
No,
I
sir.
don't have it. With respect to B, do I have a path? Yes, but with respect to A, I don't have. Okay, so I have to create a path. Now let's come to Q0. On Q0, if I am, that means what has already come to my string?
B. No, nothing.
No, nothing. If I am on Q0, that means I did not have anything in my string. Okay. Now, if I am having first letter as A, will I accept it or reject it?
Rejected, sir.
Rejected.
Reject it.
Accept this, sir.
Okay. Why to accept?
Sir, last letter should be B, right? First
But
anything
if,
can.
yeah, that's right. But if you will accept this one,
Yes,
this
sir.
one itself, if you will accept this one, then in the only string A, last letter is B or A.
Okay, only letter A, then A, we have to reject it.
Yes. If you will accept this letter, only A, if you will accept, then last letter will be A and you will accept it. Okay, so
No,
you
sir.
don't have, yeah, so you don't have to think about what else will come. Right now, you just have to decide right now what I have. Whatever I have right now, with respect to that, I have to think. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Abisa has unmuted his phone. Is there anything which you want to ask? Fine. So right now I have to reject this one. Now this rejection should be permanent or temporary?
A permanent, sir.
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary, because if you the people who said permanent, try to understand one thing. If you are saying this rejection should be permanent, that means you are saying that after this A, if anything else will come, still you are not going to accept this one. But let us say if a B comes, will you accept it or not?
Accept it, sir.
After A, if one B comes, that means you will accept the string, no? Right? That means this rejection is also temporary. This rejection is temporary. Okay. Now how we have to think? Right now this string is rejected. All right. Right now what I have? A single A. So as if now this string is rejected. But what I give to this so that it can be accepted? What is the smallest string which I have to give it to so that it can be accepted? That smallest string
B,
is
sir.
B.
B, sir.
B, sir.
If I give one B, then I will accept this string. And from which state you get B?
Q1, sir.
No. On Q1, you reach when you already have B. But what is the state which is producing B?
Q0.
Q0. From which state you are, see, Q1 is receiving B, not giving B. Are you getting my point, everybody?
Yes, yes,
Q1
sir.
is not the state which is giving B. Q1 is receiving B. But which state is giving B? Q0 is giving
Q0.
B, right? So I am supposed to leave this on a state where I am generating a B. Q0 is generating B. So that's why I'm leaving it to B or Q0. So that after so many number of A's, if I get one B, then only I will accept. If I don't get B, I will remain on Q0 and I will keep on rejecting the string. Is everybody now clear with this?
Yes, sir. Clear.
If there's any doubt in this concept, please ask me your question.
The
Sir,
last
can
part, sir, I got confused.
One by one. First, let Sunny ask the question.
The last part I got confused, sir. In A part.
Fine. Let me repeat once again. I'm repeating this thing once again. If you are confused. Check this out. I said, suppose I am on Q0. That means I don't have anything. Okay. But I'm supposed to make a path for A. So since I don't have anything, and now if I have one A, then should I accept it or reject it?
Reject it.
Reject. This rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary, because further things may come into the string and I will accept it. Now since this rejection is temporary, so I have to think that after this A, what is the smallest string which I can have so that I will accept this string? This rejected string can be accepted by which string?
AB.
B, sir.
B. So A I already have, but if I get a B, then definitely I will accept this string, right? That means I have to search that which state generates B. Which
Where's
state
Q0?
generates B. So whatever the state which is generating B, I will leave this A onto that state so that if I get B, then I will accept it. If I don't get B, I will not accept it. Right? So which is the state which is producing B?
Q0.
Q0. Q0 is the state which is producing B. So what I will do, I will leave. I have started from Q0 only, no? From Q0 to A, we were looking for a transition. and where I'm supposed to end on Q0 only, because just now we have concluded that we are supposed to leave it on Q0. So I'll just leave it to Q0. Is that now clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, Ashish.
so from state Q1, where will B go?
That we will check. Right
Okay, sir.
now we will check on that. Just with the similar process. How we have checked with Q0, we will check with Q1 also. Okay. Now check this out. But before moving further, I would like to ask, is this clear to everyone? Please make sure to get clear all your doubts. Let me tell you one thing. I already told you in the very first class that automata is not a subject which you can learn from the internet. Okay. A guidance is required. It is required. And somehow, even if you surf the internet, you are going to get a guidance only. And that guidance has been given to you in the institute itself by me. Okay. So it makes no sense to not to asking doubts in the class and then to surf internet. If you want to surf internet, use it. You use that internet as a resource for earning extra knowledge, for gaining extra knowledge. But for the automata purpose, I'm here. And I told you so many number of times that you are free to ask doubts. So everybody, please make sure to ask even your smallest doubt without any hesitation. Okay, fine. Now, before moving further, I want to ask one thing. Is there anybody who is having doubts in this concept? What I've told you until now?
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Sure.
Sir, as we left the A on Q0, is there, can we create another state from Q0 like Q2?
No. We are not supposed to create. Just wait for 5 more minutes. Let me finish with the question. Afterwards, I'll tell you that why we are not supposed to make this a state.
Okay, sir.
Anybody else who is having any more questions? So if everybody is enough clear for this and everybody want me to go further, then say aloud, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only those 5-6 voices. What others are doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. So next, now I am at Q1. Okay. Now from Q1, I can see that I don't have any path, neither for A nor for B. So now I am supposed to make a path for first for A. So Q1 with respect to A and with respect to B, I am supposed to create the path. Now let's work upon A. Okay. Let us say if you are on Q1, that means what you already have in your string. I need this answer
B,
from
sir.
everyone. If I am on Q1, what I already have on in my string?
B.
B.
B has already come. Okay. Now after this B, if one A is coming, then I should accept it or reject it?
Reject it, sir.
Reject it. Because it's not ending on B, right? This rejection should be temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary.
For rejection.
Fine. So I'm sure for one thing that this rejection should be temporary. Okay. Now in this BA, what is the smallest string which I add so that this will be accepted again?
B, sir.
B. Okay. If I add one more B, then I can accept it. And what is the state which is producing this B? Which
Q1?
state in my automata is producing B?
Final.
Where? No. Where Q1 is producing B? Just now we have discussed which state which is producing B, which is generating B.
Q0.
Q0
Initial
itself,
state.
the initial state one, the Q0 itself is producing B. All right. So I am supposed to drop it onto the state which will generate the B. That means from Q1, if I get one A, then I am supposed to drop it on Q0. Is this clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear to everyone? I'm asking once again. I need yes sir from everyone, not only 5-6 people.
Yes, sir. It's very clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now the last transition I'm remaining with, that is from Q1 to B. All right. So again, I have to think like this. If I am on Q1, that means what I already have.
Last B.
B I already have. Last B or first B, that really doesn't matter. What I already have B. Now after this B, if I have another B, then I'm supposed to accept it or reject it.
Accept.
Accept it.
sir.
Accept it.
Definitely accept it because it is ending on B. This acceptance should be temporary or permanent?
Temporary.
Temporary.
Temporary, sir.
Temporary. And temporary acceptance is given by which type of state?
Final.
Normal final state.
Non-final, sir.
Final. Why every time somebody is there in the class who says that acceptance is by non-final state and rejection is by final state? Learn these small things. Acceptance is given by final state. Okay, so you are supposed to drop it onto the final state. Which final state you have? Like
Normal, sir.
after Q1 itself, right? So I can remain on Q1 and I'll keep on accepting the string. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So be very, very quick. Just post your roll numbers, your enrollment numbers into the chat box very fast. Be very quick. I hope everybody must be very clear about this. Although in further classes, we will discuss few more questions with respect to this, but everybody make sure to be clear about these things.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in this self loop, we have kept the symbols alone like A and B. But if it was a dead state, then we should have written A comma B, right, sir?
Do one thing. Just wait for a class. Ask your doubt since we have done with that. Acha, fine. Ask it once again. What you are saying? Speak once
सर
again.
अगर वो डेड स्टेट होता सर तो वहाँ पे हम A कमा B लिखते, जैसे आपने पिछली बार बोला था कि A कमा B ही लिखना पड़ेगा, जितने सिंबल्स होंगे वो साथ में लिखे जाएंगे.
That's for sure. That's for sure. If it has been dead state, then definitely it has to be A comma B. For sure. But वो dead state नहीं है, इसी के लिए हमने वहाँ पर A comma B नहीं लिखा है.
Yes, sir. Right.
Fine. Everybody has given the enrollment numbers. Good. Fine. So see you in the next class. I guess next class will be by next week. Okay. Be prepared. We will do a lot of questions, lot of such questions, so that your base concepts can be clear enough. Okay. See you in the next class.
Sir.
Sir.
Yes.
After this class, links are not present, sir, in Google Calendar.
Pardon?
Sir, after this, we have a classes, but there is no link in the Google Calendar, sir.
Tell me the details of class.
MF, sir, I will write in chat, sir.
No, don't write in chat. Tell me.
155 to 355 MFP lab.
155
to
355
lab batch B MFP.
MFP lab batch B and
yes,
teacher is
teacher
Sunil Lavadia, sir.
Yes, sir.
Lab batch B 150 MFP. Fine. Any other class for which you don't have a link?
Sir, tomorrow also we don't have it. IP, sir. It is. Or AWS
Do one
there.
thing. Do one thing. What is your name?
Ashish Pandey,
Shubham. Ashish Pandey. Ashish, send me an Instagram message on a personal account, on a personal chat. Okay. In that, describe me all those classes of this week for which you don't have a link.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Send me a personal message.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Anything else? Fine. So let's done with the class and